Today, we're doing a deep dive to give you a major shortcut on a topic that quite literally holds your home together. We're talking about perimeter drainage systems. I mean, in simple terms, how you keep water away from the base of your house.
And this is so important because we're really focusing in on one area for you today. We're talking specifically about Port Coquitlam.
Right.
Yeah, and we're using insights from the experts at Pacific Blue Mechanical, and they make it really clear with the heavy rainfall there, plus the local soil.
What's wrong with the soil?
Well, it's full of clay and silt, so it holds water. It doesn't drain.
Yeah.
And that creates this perfect storm for problems.
Problems meaning like the house becoming unsafe.
Exactly. The risk of real structural damage goes way up. So this kind of system isn't just nice to have, it's essential.
Okay, let's unpack this then. What is this system actually made of? I know there are pipes and things.
Yeah, the key parts are pretty simple. You've got your drainage pipes, a whole lot of gravel, catch basins, and sometimes a sump pump.
And they all work together.
They do. The whole idea is to collect that water before it can even press up against your foundation at the base of your house, and then just send it away.
Got it. So let's get to the payoff. What are the real advantages here? This is where it gets interesting.
It is. And this is where Pacific Blue Mechanical really lays it out. There are 5 huge benefits. First and most obvious is it stops damage.
It prevents those big, scary cracks in the foundation.
Yes, it stops the water from building up and pushing. That alone saves you from potentially massive repair costs down the line.
And I've heard it's not just about the structure, it affects the air inside the house too, right?
Oh, absolutely. That's benefit number 2, clean air. When your foundation and basement are dry, you stop mold and mildew from growing.
Which is huge for health.
It's a massive improvement for your indoor air quality.
Okay, let's talk money. Does this actually, increase a home's value?
100%. That's benefit number 3. Think about it. If you're a buyer in a rainy place like Port Coquitlam, you are worried about water damage.
Yeah, of course.
A home with a proper, working drainage system, that's a secure purchase. It removes a huge risk, and buyers will pay more for that.
So it's a real return on investment. What are the last 2?
Well, number 4 is just overall longevity.
For the whole house?
For the whole building. When the foundation is solid and dry, the rest of the structure just lasts longer. Everything performs better.
And the 5th one?
This is the one homeowners always talk about. It's peace of mind.
Oh.
Just knowing you're protected when those heavy rains come. Not having to worry every time you see a storm in the forecast. That's priceless.
It really connects back to being a smart homeowner then. You're investing a smaller amount of money now to avoid a much, much bigger cost later from flooding and repairs.
That is the key takeaway. An effective perimeter drainage system, like the ones the experts at Pacific Blue Mechanical talk about, it's not just about moving water.
It's about protection.
It's about actively protecting the safety, the health, and of course the financial value of your home, especially in a wet place like Port Coquitlam.
So let's leave you with this. What does this all really mean for you? If a well-designed drainage system is so effective that a buyer will actually pay a premium for it, and it saves you from these incredibly costly damages, how much is that peace of mind, that certainty, really worth to you right now? That's something to mull over.